In this video, I'll show you how to remove password protection from product in WooCommerce. As you can see in this example, I'm currently on my shop page, and if I scroll a bit down, there's going to be Coffee Desk product, and just beside it says protected. And if I open the product, as you can see, I'll be required to enter the password in order to view it. So to remove this password, first we'll log into WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Now look for the product in question. In my case, it's this one, Computer Desk, and then select Edit. Once the product editor loads, on the right side of the screen, look for the Publish section. Go ahead and expand it. Right here, look for visibility. As you can see, it's password protected. Let's click on Edit. Update the visibility to public, then select OK. And finally, click on Update. Once the product was updated, go back to your product page and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the password protection was removed and the product is now fully visible to the public. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.